Just saw something jump over here, so it looked like a bass. So we're gonna try. Oh, got one. Yeah. He's good size too. Holy shit. Holy. He's fucking fighter. Holy shit. This motherfucker's got some fight in him. Holy. There we go. Yeah, that's a good size. Probably 3-pounder, I think. I want to say. Oh, oh. Okay. Let's retry that. There we go. Yeah, that's a good size right there. Fuck yeah. Come on. Get out of there. There we go. Yeah, holy shit. Let's see this. Boom. It's a great size. I'd say like a 3-pounder, I think. Yeah, he put up a great fight. Wow, that was awesome. Oh, let's see so you guys can see the release here. Oh, apparently I was in the fucking splash zone too. Fuck.